So guys, how to delete your TikTok account? So it's too much easy. So for this one, just go to inside the me, and I'm just going to log out this one. Okay, and after this I'm just logging in to my another TikTok account. So in this time I'm just going through my mobile number, so I'm just using this one, and I'm just clicking in the send code, and after this just drag this one here, and it's success. Okay, and now TikTok is sending me a verification code here. Okay, so I'm just typing that one, and now you can see here it's again giving me this one. So after this I'm just going to delete this TikTok account. So for this one, just click here and click in the manage my account, and just click in the delete account, and it's giving me a verification code. So just wait for a moment. The TikTok is sending me a verification code to delete my account. So I'm just wait for a moment. Now you have to put that one. So I'm just putting that one 7842, and after this just click in the continue. Now my TikTok account is going to be delete. So after this just click in the delete account and click in the delete again. So now you can see here my TikTok account has been deleted permanently.